kita tak sama, tetaplah satu kita, kita Indonesia sesungguhnya.
Lawan samudra terbentang khatulistiwa.
Situ ku ada bersamamu saudara.
Warna kita sungguh telah selalu sama.
Kau aku Indonesia yang disatukan karena cinta.
Kamu lagi dengerin 105,4 FM Radio FM.
Halo, saya Adera. Saya hanya mendengarkan RRI Pro 2 FM, satu-satunya radio yang menjadikan generasi muda sebagai headline.
Jangan gila.
Halo, saya BCL. Kamu lagi mendengarkan RRI Pro 2 FM, satu-satunya radio yang menjadikan generasi muda sebagai headline.
Halo, saya Tulus. Kamu lagi dengerin RRI Pro 2 FM, satu-satunya radio yang menjadikan generasi muda sebagai headline.
Aku Yura Yunita dan kamu lagi dengerin Pro 2 FM, satu-satunya radio yang menjadikan generasi muda sebagai headline.
Berlalu, pasti banyak yang rasa sepertiku.
Dengerin terus Pro 2 FM Singaraja, teman terbaik kamu.
Singaraja. Hi, good afternoon teman Pro 2. Welcome back to English Corner. Listen us to know the word more, yeah. Wait. Before we go through, today, unfortunately,
Who are you?
you. The question is, the voice make a difference, unfortunately, Miss Iren Amora can with us today, but don't worry, teman Pro 2. Today, I have special guest, accompany me in 1 hour ahead in English Corner with
Irna.
How are you?
I'm fine, good, thank you. I'm so glad I could accompany you today.
How do you feel?
Nervous, but I learn by you. So please help me.
Oh yes, don't worry, because today we have very special topics to be discussed,
Yes, what
to
is
be
that?
share with teman Pro 2 in English Corner. We will talk about traditional villages in Bali, because we know Bali is not only beaches or maybe mountains or special attraction, but we also provide for the visitors, foreigners, to have another choice when you vacation in Bali. We have several villages in Bali, traditional one, that are very unique, and we will know and we will share to you after this. Don't worry, don't go anywhere,
Don't go anywhere.
Stay tuned on 105.4 FM Pro 2 RRI Singaraja. culture shapes the way people see the world and can be taught as the way in which people preserve society and meet a range of human needs. Their belief systems, behaviors, and traditions are only a few factors that make up a culture. It is easy to be unaware of the tremendous impact culture plays in our life when we are surrounded by individuals who share the same assumption and shared values. We may experience culture shock when we find ourselves in a culture different from the one we are accustomed to. Culture shock is the feeling of disorientation experienced by someone when they are suddenly subjected to an unfamiliar culture and way of life. It can be caused by a range of things, both big and small, such as unfamiliar greeting and hand gestures, strange food, difficult language barriers, getting lost in a new city, or making a cultural false path because you didn't know the local custom. This unfamiliarity can lead to symptoms such as confusion, anxiety, frustration, loneliness, and homesickness. It can even lead to physical symptoms such as insomnia as a result of time zone changes, or colds and stomach bugs due to unfamiliar foods and bacteria.
Pro2 Singaraja. Follow Instagram @RRI Pro2 Singaraja. Facebook RRI Pro2 Singaraja.
Teman terbaik kamu.
Dengar dan saksikan siaran langsung kami, daftarkan akun Anda, dan mulailah berinteraksi di setiap program dan konten kami. Partisipasi, kreasikan konten Anda berupa berita, podcast, vlog, film, musik, dan playlist. Kolaborasi, kami mengajak berbagai komunitas untuk berkembang bersama melalui digital platform. RRI Digital kini juga menghadirkan terobosan baru, workspace platform, dan online learning platform dengan fasilitas-fasilitas unggulan, monitor impact and outcome, meeting online, video conference, dan library. RRI Digital menghadirkan fitur-fitur untuk peningkatan interaksi, partisipasi, kolaborasi, workspace, dan learning. Segera download RRI Digital.
Yeah, still in English Corner listeners to know word more, right?
So where are we going now?
Okay, we have some traditional villages in Bali that categorized or can be said or known by tourists as the ancient village. Very traditional, or Balinese people know that it is Baliaga or Bali Mula. Yeah, this is villages that still preserve their customs, culture from the ancestor, and still live and also still preserved by the community there.
Okay, so where is that place?
The first village that we will is that introduce, or maybe we share with you, teman Pro2, is Tenganan Village. Have you ever visited?
Truly? Not.
No. Yeah. Okay. Yeah. This is one village in Bali, yeah, especially in Karangasem Regency.
Oh, okay.
What is why this village is said as ancient or very unique village in Bali? Yeah, because the people there, yeah, the people in Tenganan Village have still obey the rules from the ancestors, and they also still preserve Jew or still give or the young generation also still be taught what is you can do or you can't do.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, in their daily life. For example, in that village, the people there or Tenganan people have some rules. We are usually called awik-awik. Yeah, we said awik-awik as rules.
Every
traditional
village
rules.
have awik-awik, you know.
Yeah, but it's it's only only we can found in only in Tenganan village.
Oh, okay.
It make
Why is
difference
that?
from one
Okay.
village to another, but what is make it's unique? The people there in Tenganan should not be polygamy or divorce.
Oh, really?
Yeah, because when we do that, they will what is that? Some like must go outside or maybe live in what's that? Terpencil ya.
Okay.
Place
Okay.
terpencil ya,
Okay, okay.
diasingkan begitu. So the people there is
For
very
for the first time I heard that.
Yeah,
Yeah.
that's why this is very unique places to be visited, and some of their culture also make some tourists or some visitors will be interested to visit it for another time. Yeah, why is that? Is because when we said a village, they have our own culture, and also what's that? They have another something to do, local wisdom, something like that. Local like handicraft, something that this
okay.
is also kind of one things that only can be seen in Tenganan is fabric, woof fabric, woven fabric.
Yeah.
Or we can say it as tenun ikat pegeringsingan. Yeah, tenun double ikat pegeringsingan, because another place is not have this kind of kain tenun, something like that. So if you want to see, this is very very has their from the what is that? Tenganan Pegeringsingan has their own motif, something like that. So we can different it from one kind of kain tenun, one place to another. We can be differentiate.
So
That's
that's
why.
why Tenganan is have a very special tenun and awik-awik. Yeah.
Yes, awik-awik. But even it's kind of very unique or traditional village in Bali, but also they very open to modern things, such as
Something like what?
electricity,
Oh, okay.
electricity, and
Oh,
then
okay, yeah.
communication tools, like
okay.
handphone, maybe computer, something like that, and also transportation. And also the people there, especially the children, also kind of very encouraged to have high education.
Okay, that's why if you teman Pro 2 interesting about Tenganan village,
Yeah,
so
you can visit, and also the best time to visit it if you want to also
When?
see the traditional ceremonies in Tenganan village. You can come on around January, February, and June.
June next month.
month.
But
No.
next month tomorrow.
Tomorrow, yeah,
Okay.
start from tomorrow, because June is very long holiday for students, isn't right?
Yeah, but not for us. We are not.
That's why we offer it for teman Pro 2, not
Yeah,
us.
Okay, but maybe one day, yeah.
Okay, next we will also have another village,
Yeah.
traditional village in Bali that can be said as a unique one. What is that? Stay on Pro 2 FM.
RRI Digital. Nikmati kemudahan interaksi, partisipasi, dan kolaborasi dengan RRI Digital. Interaksi, dengar dan saksikan siaran langsung kami, daftarkan akun kamu, dan mulailah berinteraksi di setiap program dan konten kami. Partisipasi, kreasikan konten kamu dengan berita, podcast, vlog, film, musik, dan playlist. Kolaborasi, kami mengajak berbagai komunitas untuk berkembang bersama melalui digital platform. RRI Digital. sekarang menghadirkan terobosan baru, Workspace Platform dan Online Learning Platform dengan fasilitas-fasilitas unggulan, monitor impact dan outcome, meeting online, video conference, dan library. RRI Digital menghadirkan fitur-fitur untuk peningkatan interaksi, partisipasi, kolaborasi, workspace, dan learning. Yuk, segera download RRI Digital.
Provide a captivating beachside experience. The soft white sand, gentle waves, and stunning sunset create the perfect backdrop for romantic moments. Meanwhile, more secluded beaches like Padang-Padang or Bias Tugel offer the perfect peace and privacy for couples seeking tranquility. In addition to Ubud, areas like Candi Dase, Tulamben, and West Bali have also started to attract tourists. Bali has also been chosen as a favorite location for pre-wedding photo sessions. The increasing popularity of this has even led to the hotel being fully booked in Bali. There are also a number of activities that can be done together as a couple while in Bali, starting from enjoying the sunrise at Mount Batur, strolling through the Ubud Monkey Forest, which is home to more than 700 monkeys, enjoying the beauty of the underwater world at Nusa Lembongan Island, to witnessing the stunning sunset at Uluwatu Temple. Ending the day in Bali is incomplete without exploring its nightlife. Romantic restaurants with beautiful views, beachside bars, and local art performances add a profound impression to the honeymoon journey. Bali is also known for its culinary richness and local craft. Enjoying traditional Balinese dishes at local restaurants or choosing unique souvenirs from local markets can be an experience for new couples. With all its natural beauty, luxurious accommodation, and cultural richness, Bali is not just a honeymoon destination, but an extraordinary experience that will leave unforgettable memories for couples celebrating love and togetherness on this island.
Pro 2 FM, teman terbaik kamu. Teman terbaik kamu. Pro 2 FM.
In English Corner, listen us to know word more.
Okay. Well,
yeah.
so where are we going next?
Next we have another village also.
I'm so excited, you know.
You exciting?
yeah.
Because you maybe plan to visit one of these villages.
Yep.
Yeah, on your holiday, I mean.
Okay. I thought that
No, on your holiday, yeah.
Okay.
Okay, the next village is located in edge of Lake Batur, Bangli Regency. Yeah, this is called as Trunyan.
Oh, I know that
Have you heard?
place.
Have you visited or ever heard about
No,
this
just
village?
heard because I'm so afraid to. I'm sorry because you know something. I have something different
Yeah.
to go to
Yeah.
the place like that. I mean, I can explain.
Yeah, I know that. Yeah, because it can be for newcomers. It can be like secret place.
Yeah. Something like that. Yeah.
Yeah, because the unique one. Before we tell about the uniqueness of this village, if you want to go to Trunyan village, you have to use a boat to across the Lake Batur to approach this place. Yeah, this village. Okay, and if you say that you are worry or maybe scared to visit this village, because maybe this is the reason why you are afraid to come, because Trunyan is well known as unique village that is the famous about the funeral process. Why? Because the dead body in Trunyan, yeah, does not the people there
The buried.
not buried,
buried,
yeah, but only lay the body on the ground in the some place in the forest, something like that. So if maybe another is that
But they call summer,
yes, Semewayah. They call it the place is Semewayah, ya, teman Pro 2. So the people is not to bury the body, only lay down on the ground, something like that. And also if there's new that body, also only put there. And what's make it unique? Even if we usually see or maybe found a dead something like animal, something is that that body will smell bad, isn't it?
But in
But in
Trunyan,
Trunyan
it's
it's
very
not.
different.
Yeah, very different
Because about the tree,
yeah, that's why the community believe, yeah, there's a big tree called Tarumenyan. It has their own scent that made the body, that body is not smell bad because it has, is it a good fragrance, yeah, so that it smell good. Yeah, so that body is not smell bad, something like that.
yeah,
so
because
that,
because Tarumenyan has its own scent,
yes, that neutralize the
Yeah.
smell from the dead body, something like that. And also if you maybe for not all people can come there. Yeah, for example, you.
Like me, I'm sorry.
Yeah,
I'm so
it's-
excited to go there. Maybe one day if I believe in myself,
yeah.
so
So
I will.
come because some of people said it's horror to come, yeah, because that body we can see directly
Yeah.
how they lay that body in only on the ground, something like that. So it maybe give a special experience, special one experience, yeah, something like that. That's why only brave people can come there, for example.
Yeah,
It's not all people come there. But if you want to see the uniqueness, or maybe you want to know more about Trunyan, how why this is that tradition happen, yeah, you can come there and you know more about the Trunyan, yeah. You will know the real story from the community there, something like that, yeah, Kakak Arin.
Yeah.
So we also the only Trunyan, yeah, but we still have one village, unique, yeah, a traditional village in Bali that can be as a one place to visit when you have a holiday or you visit Bali, teman Pro 2.
Yeah, that's right. And the next destination, we can go to the village inhabited by the people of Bali, Mule. That is a Penglipuran village.
Yeah, Penglipuran is also well known by some tourists, not only local or domestic people, but also for foreigners.
Yeah, but unlike the two previous ancient villages from the Tanganan or
Yep.
the Trunyan,
Yep.
Penglipuran village has its own uniqueness. Yeah,
Yeah, why is that?
it's so clean.
Oh yes, because it's cleanless.
Clean,
yeah.
and it's every
House.
the
Yeah.
similar,
Yeah, similar. All houses in
on the front.
on the front, not only in the
At
front,
the
but
front.
also at the part of the
Okay,
house
okay.
of the community in Penglipuran village are same.
Okay.
From in front and then in middle and also the back is what is that? The same. Or that's make this village very 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 unique. When you come there from the big gate to entrance gate, yeah, you will also we directly found what is that, a good views
Yeah.
from the
yeah.
nature and also what's that the culture there ya.
And you know what? Penglipuran hold the beautiful concept.
Oh, what's that?
And then, you know, Trihita Karana.
Iya, Trihita Karana.
Human relation with others, human relation with nature, and
Nature.
human relation with the God. With
Yeah,
God, okay.
as Hindu ya Balinese believe Trihita Karana to what's that balance the word something like that
Yeah.
ya, because we not only respect others but also we have to have a good relationship with God and nature as well, something like that.
And another thing
What is that?
that is not less unique is not allowing cars or motorcycles to enter the
The
village
area.
Yeah.
Oh, that's why maybe because that's why this village is nominated as the cleanest village in the world.
Yeah.
Yeah, that's why the foreigners, maybe the people around the world now, Penglipuran village is one of the best place to visit because not only the culture but also you will feel how clean the air
Yeah.
when you visit it,
Yes.
isn't it?
Have,
With that-
how many times you visit the Penglipuran
3
village?
times.
Oh, really?
Yes,
3
I
times?
remember that.
Okay.
What I remember is
Okay.
3 times.
boy.
And is even though we go to the same place, but it give different experience.
Okay.
Something like
Me
that.
too.
And how about you?
Maybe 2 times.
2 times.
And thanks God when I go to Penglipuran village, not really, busy.
Busy,
Very quiet. I mean,
Not
So,
many
yeah,
visitors
yeah,
come.
Yeah. So that's why I can a lot of
Take
experience.
some pictures.
Yeah, because I love take a picture. of
Yes,
myself.
that's why. And yeah, this is also many sports, a good sports to
Yeah.
take pictures, something like that. Yeah, and you also can see the view, the mountain. Yeah,
The
Batu
mountain and
Mountains.
the cloud.
Yeah, the clouds and yeah, the people they're also very friendly.
Okay.
And
Agree.
you can visit or come in every house is there. They are very welcome.
To buy
community
something.
To buy something. You can also taste the what is the traditional food.
Food. Yeah.
What is that? Jamu. It's called cem-cem. Yeah, loloh cem-cem. Yeah. What is that? Another traditional cakes also. Yeah. And if you come there, don't forget to what is that? Try it.
Try and don't forget to stay clean.
Yeah, because yeah, we the visitors is forbidden to
Yeah.
throw the trash in
That
not
area.
proper. Yeah, not properly. Yeah, we the people there provide visitors some like what's that trash basin yeah to throw away the
Yeah.
plastic, something like that. So you have to also when you visit there, you also have to join is that keep the clean of the village.
Okay, not only in Penglipuran.
Yeah,
but
also
everywhere.
everywhere. So
Okay.
yeah.
So, where you go after you know these places?
The tree of this tree actually
Villages, yes.
as what you said before, actually I curious about Trunyan village, but
Okay.
I have to be brave to go to there.
Okay. So, how about we go together?
Together.
So we can, safety each other.
Yeah, that's good idea. Maybe
Yeah.
teman Pro2 wanna join with us so we can go together to Trunyan village. Okay, teman Pro2, this is the end of our program today, English Corner. Thank you Kakak Arin for
You're welcome.
accompanying me
With my
today.
pleasure.
Yeah, and also we will what is that? come again with different topics
Okay.
or different thing to share with you teman Pro 2. So don't forget, see us next week on English Corner. Listen us to know word better. Bye.
See ya.
Pro 2 Singaraja. Follow Instagram @RRI Pro 2 Singaraja. Facebook RRI Pro 2 Singaraja.
Teman terbaik kamu.